Hello and thanks a lot for tuning in again. It took me quite a while to produce this video, so thanks for bearing with me. So in this video we're going to compare the different transfer modes of Offshoot. The result is really interesting. If you don't like to watch a 10-minute long video, just skip to the end. That's also fine. By the way, press the like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to see a little bit more of these tutorials. This is our setup. I'm using a MacBook Pro 16-inch M3 Max with 128GB of RAM. As an external hard drive, I'm using a 1TB Samsung T7 portable SSD, and I'm connecting this with a Thunderbolt 3 cable. This gives me a write speed of 747 MB per second and a read speed of 735 MB per second. I'm going to copy a CFexpress Type A card that contains roughly 160 GB of video footage I shot in UHD 25 frames per second and in XAVC-S on my FX2. And it's one continuous clip. All is copied from my card reader, which is also connected with a Thunderbolt 3 cable to my computer. I will transfer the data to the empty drive first in transfer, then in source, and lastly in source or destination. After each transfer, I'm deleting the files from the hard drive so that we have the same testing conditions for each transfer. And by the way, Offshoot doesn't pay me to do these videos. They gave me a license key to use their software, which I'm very thankful for, but besides that, I'm just doing them because I love the software and I just want to find out how to use it more efficiently. So as you can see, transfer is clearly the fastest transfer mode, and the other two are almost twice as slow. And one question I have is, are these results applicable to other scenarios? I reached out to the guys from Offshoot and they replied and explained to me every part of your system configuration has an impact on your transfer speeds. What is the bottom line here? You have to test it by yourself. I know it's not really a satisfying answer. Take your equipment and prepare a little bit of different scenarios based on the stuff you're shooting, whether that's documentary, events, or podcasts, or tutorial videos like this, and copy your data, write down your times, and create for yourself like a little template, a cheat sheet, where you know exactly, okay, if I record 1 hour of Daniel talking into the camera, that takes me roughly 10 minutes to copy it over, so I can use these numbers also to prepare for shoots which have similar conditions. And a really interesting fact is it's definitely faster than your Finder, so if you copy from one card to 3 hard drives, this is where Offshoot really shines. Let me know in the comments how you are going to use Offshoot and also what your experiences with the different transfer modes are. I can say so much, I mostly use transfer just purely because of the speed and it gives me a checksum verification, but also if I have the time I would use source and destination. And just as a note, Offshoot recommends not to use transfer if you erase your card after copying. But that's now up to you to choose in your project, in your situation. That gives you the best mix of transfer speed and security tailored to your project. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. And I'm quite honest, I really like to copy data. I know that sounds so stupid, but it is kind of satisfying to, I don't know, see this bar progressing from left to right. I don't know why.